Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors LLP Property Channel. Now you are watching Vision's Arsha Apartments in Tellapur. The developer is Vision's Infra Developers Private Limited Company. The project location is Tellapur. This is RERA certified property. You can see TS RERA registration number also. It is on the brochure. Now I am going to explain you brochure in detail. Let us go into the project. This is complete elevation of the project. You can see it is total 28 floors, stilt minus basement 1 and basement 2. One main entrance will be there, one entry and one exit. And this is main central clubhouse. It is G plus 5 floors. 45,000 SFT clubhouse is there, main clubhouse. And other one clubhouse also is there, that is sports clubhouse. That is 10,000 square feet. I will explain you in the master layout in the next pages. Yeah, let us see. This is project details. This project is Vision Arsha is spread over 11 acres, 7 towers, stilt and 28 floors. Total apartments are coming here 1561 units. It is bang on 100 feet road from Wipro Circle to Kollur. Here total in the community 90 plus amenities are given by the developer. It is enchanting views across 4 sets of the Vision Arsha for all the towers. I have told that in previous it is exclusive sports complex, that is 10,000 square feet is there, G plus 2 floors, and there is a outdoor amenities also are there, clubhouse amenities, stilt amenities, co-working spaces, all are there. You can see this is total amenities designs, what and how they are going to give. You can see the images in the brochure. See, total 90 plus amenities they are giving. Experience in extra large living experience at Arsha. They have given it. It is total 11 acres. In the main clubhouse, 45,000 SFT. What are they giving and which floor they are giving? You can see it is the elevation of the clubhouse. Yes, you can see in detail the developer has given. By seeing this, we can understand their transparency. What are the amenities they are providing at the ground floor? Outdoor party area, swimming pool, kids pool, multi-purpose hall, holding area and ATM are at the ground floor. And coming to the first floor, outdoor party area, toddlers party, deck, yoga and aerobics, grocery, supermarket, pharmacy, washing lounge, all these are available at the first floor in the clubhouse. And coming to the second floor, in the second floor they are giving gym and indoor games, billiards, table tennis, crash, chess, etc. And in the third floor, spa, fish therapy, nail art, ladies spa, salon, hobby room, library, reading lounge, all are available in the third floor. Coming to the fourth floor, business waiting lounge, preview theater, billiards lounge, guest rooms, 6 guest rooms they are giving. It is good thing in a clubhouse to having in a gated community. Coming to the fifth floor, meeting conference room, cave, bar, counter, rooftop restaurant, co-working spaces, open terrace party area, all these are giving in the clubhouse. You can see this is the Vision Arsha's clubhouse complete elevation. This is fully loaded with 45,000 SFT clubhouse. And coming to the sports clubhouse, that is 10,000 square feet, indoor sports, 2 badminton courts, 2 squash courts, and outdoor sports, outdoor gym, tennis court, half basketball court, cricket practicing nets, 2 volleyball court, staking rink, kids children's play area, jogging track, cycling track, and many more they are giving in the outdoor sports. In the community, they are giving 3.5 acres central courtyard. You can see it is in the brochure. Space to welcome ease into your life. Enjoy priceless moments with your loved ones. Every inch of this 3.5 acres is carefully crafted to home your happiness and well-being. This is the main theme of this, and you can see these all are the in the central courtyard. And Vision Arsha is a amenity rich community with 90 plus amenities. Something for everybody. Say goodbye to bedroom. Live a joyful life, that is in Vision Arsha. Sports centric homes. Lives an active life, be it indoor or outdoor. And it is a child centric homes, and Stilt amenities also they are giving, and dedicated EV charging point to car park. Here in Vision Arsha, they are giving 8 feet corridor. The commitment of the Visions is a home for every dream. Homes that comes attached with divinity and tranquility. An unique blend of luxury and serenity. Welcome to the most complete living experience in Vision Arsha. This is master layout of the Vision Arsha. This project is total spread over 11 acres. There are A to G blocks are coming here. Total blocks are 7. You are watching. Now sales have opened in A, B, C blocks. Sales are going, and you can see in the corner there is a sports complex, and in the middle there is a main clubhouse, that is 45,000 safety clubhouse, and other blocks yet to be open for sales. And this project will be completed in 2025 December phase 1 and phase 2 by 26 December. And you can see the list of the amenities they have given in the brochure completely. Yes, this is the floor plan of the tower. If you see, there are 8 apartments in each tower. For 8 apartments, they have given 7 lifts in every floor. And the corridor width is 8 feet width corridor they have given. And there is no opposite door to each flat. If you see, let us see. Here the main entrance of this apartment. This is 2355 square feet. It's a 3.5 BHK apartment. And if you see, this is other one is 1390 square feet 2 BHK. For this, the main entrance is there is no opposite door, and this also has no opposite door. That is the uniqueness. And this is fireman lift, and here they have given a separate lift corridor and lift lobby for 6 passenger lifts and 2 staircases in each block, and no flat has opposite flat in this Vision Arsha community. And here starts from 1390 square feet to maximum 2700 square feet, and these apartments are the north facing apartments 1845 SFT. 2 apartments north facing. One is this is 3.5 BHK 2700 square feet, and this is east facing flat. And the other one also is there a corner flat 3.5 BHK 2355 square feet. And coming to this side, this is west facing 2 BHK 1390 square feet, and this is the 1390 square feet east facing. These 2 BHKs have the balconies towards the north side, and coming to other corner, that is also 3.5 BHK, same size of the apartment of other corner, that is 3.5 BHK 2355 square feet west facing flat. And coming to this also the same other corner like 2700 square feet 3.5 BHK. This is very uniquely they have designed, and they took very focused care in the floor plan and tower plan. Very pin to pin developer has focused in the community. Really this is nice. Please interested buyers contact us on below number. If you are watching first time our property channel, kindly subscribe our channel for more future videos like this. And yes, coming to the B block floor plan, this is B and C are the same floor plans. If you see here starting, this is the corner size, corner flat. It is also has no opposite entrance to the flat. This is 3 BHK, 2000 square feet. Here, if you see, east and west facing, two sizes are available, that is 1625 square feet. It's a 3 BHK apartment. And here, other side, it's 2115 square feet, 3 BHK, east facing flat. And these two are the north facing apartments. This is 1390 square feet, 2.5 BHK. And this is also 2115 square feet west facing apartments. This same plan is replicate in C block. For more details, please contact us on below number. Thank you for watching the video.